Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of KhanFlicks. Today we'll be looking at wireless chargers, but not your typical wireless charger. This here is a magnetic wireless charger. Now, as you know, wireless chargers are a big thing. Literally, you can go and find them anywhere. All you gotta do is go and simply put your phone on the charger, and the next thing you know it's charging your phone, take it off, and you're good to go. However, there is a bit of an issue. Imagine having to use your phone while it's charging. You actually have to go and remove it from the charger plate, and you're not charging it while you're using it, so technically, it's kind of pointless. But the good folks over at Aukey have created the Aircore 15W. This here is a magnetic charger that simply attaches to the back of the phone just like that, and you can go ahead and charge it and use it at the same time without having to worry about it kind of losing power. So in this episode here, we'll be learning exactly what it can do. So if you guys want your very own, be sure to check out the link down below in the description. So without further ado, let's go ahead and rewind and unbox this thing. Alright, so this here is the box, a very tiny size scale box. Looks pretty simple from what it is. So this here is an Aukey magnetic wireless charger for the iPhone 12. Supposedly the best wireless charger yet. So let's go ahead and open it up. So this will go ahead and open up just like this. And oh my god, that thing is small. So this here is our magnetic charger. And we have ourselves a user manual, and lastly we have ourselves a sticker. So this here is our charger. So it comes with a USB-C cable port, so it connects to any USB-C. And one of the downsides of current chargers are that, especially if it's a wireless charger, you have to go ahead and place it, and then if you want to use your phone, you gotta lift it off the charger just like that, and now your phone's not charging, but again, you want to use it. So that's kind of the downside of it. But with a magnetic charger, it kind of creates a unique property. So instead of traditionally plugging it on the bottom, all you gotta do is take it and just kind of place it on the back, just like this, and voila, it is magnetically charging. So I can go ahead and use my phone still, as well as it's charging at the same time. So it's very convenient and very clever. And if you want to go ahead and remove it, all you gotta do is go ahead and simply just lift it off just like that. So I really like it. I think it's actually a very simple design and makes things a lot more easier in terms of the charging aspects go. Obviously, it does not, does it support the weight of the, oh my god, it does. That is crazy. So it's actually a pretty strong magnet, and if you do actually kind of tug on it, it'll come off just like that. So obviously it's not something designed to go ahead and keep it really on there, but it's designed to go ahead and use it on a day-to-day basis. So you can technically go ahead and just charge it on the go without any issues about having to know about if I want to use my phone, I still can while it's charged. So there you guys have it. This here is the Aukey magnetic charger, the Aircore 15W. So if you guys had any questions, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching. See you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.